Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be making this maxi dress inspired by a dress I once saw on Lori Harvey. I am just going to be inserting a picture of that dress here. When I saw this fabric at the fabric store, it really reminded me about the maxi dress. I am just going to be making a video on how to make this maxi dress style using this fabric. So let's get right into the video. Here I have folded each cut of the fabric into two, one for the front and one for the back. To mark the neckline, I will not be using the usual 3 inches across and 3 inches downwards. I will just be marking 8 inches across from the center of the maxi dress because it is a wide neckline. From the side of the maxi dress, I will just be marking 1 inch downwards, and that will be the shoulder slant. Then I will take a straight ruler and join from the 8 inches I marked across to the 1 inch I marked downwards. Note that this maxi dress is a long sleeve. For the armhole, I'll be marking down 13 inches from the 1 inch I marked earlier. From that 13 inches, I'll be marking in 10 inches across, and I did not do that for any particular reason. I just wanted the maxi dress to be free enough whenever I wanted to wear it. If you want yours to be more fitted, you could add some extra inches. I will just be using my curve ruler to curve it all the way down. Now to cut it, the first thing I'll be doing is cutting off the shoulder slant. Then I'll be cutting from the armhole to the leftover side seams. This is the lower part of my maxi dress, and this is just one piece that I have folded into two. I wanted one side of the maxi dress to be short and I wanted the other side to be long. Now I am just going to be joining the two pieces of fabric together because I want to cut both pieces together. Please make sure the right sides are facing each other on your fabric. Trust me, you don't want to just go ahead and cut your fabric and then realize that the two pieces are going in opposite directions, because I have been there. I'm measuring about 4 inches upward here and marking that, but I think I ended up using about 8 inches on one side. To cut the belt, I will be using this leftover fabric from the side seams and then measuring 6 inches. I'll be folding it into two, so that will make 3 inches width for the belt. Going back to the maxi dress itself, I'll be pinning down the shoulder seams and the side seams before taking it to my machine to sew. For the shorter part of the dress, I am going to be pinning halfway because I am going to leave an opening here, and for the longer side, I am going to be pinning it all the way down. As you can see, I am done pinning it. You can see the shoulder seam and then you can see the underarm to the side seam all the way down. And for the shorter side, you can see the shoulder seam and the side seam all through halfway. To sew it, the first thing I will be doing is sewing the belt. If you are new to my channel, I post DIY videos, sewing tutorials and pattern drafting tutorials. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up because it will really help the growth of my channel. I am trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. Please help me achieve that. Thank you. Now I am going to be sewing the maxi dress itself, from the shoulders to the side seams, and I will be finishing the neckline off the camera. I won't be doing anything spectacular to the neckline. I am just going to go ahead and sew it down neatly. Here is the finished look. If you have made it this far in the tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what type of videos you would like to see, and also how you will be styling your maxi dress. See you guys in my next video. Bye.